Filing a proof of claim in an insolvency proceeding is one of the most deadline-critical tasks in creditor law. It requires a clear statement of the legal basis, a precise breakdown of the amounts, and the attachment of supporting documents, making manual processing slow, error-prone, and difficult to scale across multiple proceedings. This is the claim filing in insolvency proceedings bot. A creditor or a lawyer acting on their behalf opens the form and works through a guided, step-by-step process. The first question is whether they are filing as a private individual or as a company. The form adapts immediately to show the relevant fields only. They enter their contact details, then move into the insolvency case section, debtor name, insolvency court, case reference, and the administrator's name. The bot ensures all mandatory fields are present before allowing progress. The creditor selects their claim type insolvency claim against the estate or right of segregation, and the legal basis from a predefined list. They enter the principal amount, then select which additional claims apply: interest, reimbursement costs, legal fees. Each selection opens the relevant fields. The total updates in real time. Then, key in origin and justification of the demand. They upload their supporting documents, invoices, contracts, delivery notes directly in the form. They then need to provide bank details for disbursements. That completes the data entry. On submission, two things happen automatically. An AI model trained on German insolvency law analyzes the entire claim: classification, completeness, legal basis, and likelihood of success. The result appears on screen as a written legal assessment the creditor can read and act on before they print anything. At the same time, the bot generates a formally structured PDF claim letter, addressed by name to the insolvency administrator, with all 7 required sections filled in. The creditor prints it, signs it, attaches the originals, and sends it off. The whole process takes under 5 minutes. The smooth experience on the front end is built on a structured canvas that handles all the complexity legal professionals deal with in insolvency filings. Every branch in the form is visible and editable. The distinction between individual and company creditors, the 3 claim categories under the INSO, the conditional blocks for interest, late payment costs, attorney fees, and collateral, all of these are logic nodes you can adjust. If your firm handles a specific subset of cases, for example, exclusively wage claims from employees of an insolvent employer, you can remove the branches that do not apply and tighten the form to match your actual workflow. If you need to add a field that your internal documentation requires, you add it directly into the relevant branch. The AI analysis node reads both the structured form data and the uploaded supporting documents together. The system prompt is built around section 174 and instructs the model to evaluate claim classification, completeness of required information, deadline considerations, and success likelihood. This is where a firm's specific legal standards become part of the process. You can extend the prompt to include jurisdiction-specific rules, particular court preferences, or additional evaluation criteria your team applies before filing. The output is a written legal assessment that appears on screen for the creditor to review, not a yes-no flag, but a substantive analysis they can actually use. The PDF node assembles a formally structured claim letter from the collected data. 7 numbered sections, the creditor's address block in the header, the administrator's name in the salutation, and a prepared list of annexes at the end. The file name is set automatically. The results screen after submission gives the creditor a clear checklist of what to do next. Both the PDF content and the results screen text are editable. If your standard claim letters follow a specific format required by a particular court district, you adjust the template here. For law firms managing multiple creditor mandates across concurrent insolvency proceedings, and for insolvency administrators who receive large volumes of incoming claims, a structured, AI-reviewed filing process reduces errors, shortens turnaround time, and creates a consistent output regardless of who on the team handles the case. If you want to see this in your environment, get in touch.